What is the name for the wood?
What?
The name for this wood?
I don't know. I don't know.
And there is the river, huh?
Yeah. I didn't even get a picture of, us, like of Andy, Dean, me, John, and Kay, together, like this year. Oh well.
And this is for cars or for the people?
For people.
The river is freezing?
Yeah. It's not a big river, this one.
Yeah.
Not like that one that you pass over downtown. This is a small one. It goes into the big river. See, it hardly feels like you're in the city, eh?
What?
It doesn't even feel like a city anymore.
No.
Here.
No. But it's great.
Yeah. I love it that it's so close by.
Yeah, it is so quiet.
Yeah.